Hello everyone. Today we will discuss phylum Porifera classification. Phylum Porifera classification. The previous class discussed phylum Porifera general character. The phylum Porifera was coined by the scientist Robert Grant. The scientist Robert Grant. Next one, the Porifera organisms is also called as sponges or parazoans. The phylum Porifera animals is also called as sponges or parazoans. General characters. First general character, habitat. So they are living in mostly in marine water. Mostly in marine water. Marine water means salt water. Next one, level of organization. So the level of organization is the cellular level of organization. Level of organization is the cellular level of organization. Next one, symmetry. Symmetry is the radial symmetry or asymmetry. Radial symmetry or asymmetry. Next one, body wall. The body wall contains two layers, outer pinacoderm, inner coenoderm. Outer membrane is pinacoderm, inner one is the coenoderm. Between these two membranes presenting on the gelatinous matrix is called as mesohyle. Gelatinous matrix is called as mesohyle. Next one, water transport system. Water transport system or water canal system. Water canal system. So the water canal system perform the three functions. Perform the three functions. First function, nutrition. First one, nutrition. Nutrition means gathering of food materials. Gathering of food materials. Next one, respiration. Second one, respiration. Respiration means exchange of gases. Exchange of gases. Third one, so these are the excretion. Third one, excretion. Excretion means removal of waste materials. Removal of waste materials. So they are the water transport system function. First one, water entering from the exterior to ostia, ostia to spongiocele, spongiocele to osculum, osculum to exterior. Next one, skeleton, skeletal system. So the sponge skeleton contains three types of the spicules. Three types of the spicules. One type is the calcareous spicules. Second one is the silicon spicules. Third one is the spongin fibers. These three spicules, the skeletal function. Next one, reproduction. Next one, reproduction. Digestion. So the digestion is the intracellular digestion. Intracellular digestion means the digestion occurring the inside the cell. So they are the intracellular digestion. Next one, reproduction. So these are the hermaphroditic. Animals are the hermaphroditic. Hermaphroditic means the single parent, they produce, they release male gametes and female gametes. So these type of the animals is called as hermaphrodites. Next one, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. The sponges presenting on the Porifera animals presenting on the asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is two process. One is the fragmentation, another one is the budding. Fragmentation and budding. Next one, sexual reproduction. So the sexual reproduction, the formation of the male and female gametes. Fertilization, fusion of the male and female gametes. The development is fertilization is the internal fertilization. Internal fertilization means the fertilization occurring inside the body. Fertilization occurring the inside the body. So they are called as internal fertilization. Next one, development. So development is the indirect development. Indirect development means presenting on the larval stages. Presenting on the larval stages. Next one, division. So the division is the holoblastic cleavage. Holoblastic division. Holoblast means complete cell division. One cell divided into two cells, two divided into four cells, four divided into 8, 8 divided into 16, 16 divided into 32. So these are the general characters of the phylum Porifera. Next one, classification of Porifera. Porifera classification. So the Porifera phylum classified into three classes. Phylum Porifera classified into three classes. Class 1, Calcarea. Class 1, Calcarea. Class 2, Exactinellida. Class 2, Exactinellida. Class 3, Demospongia. Class 3, Demospongia. Calcarea, Exactinellida, Demospongia. Demospongia. First one, Calcarea. So this Calcarea, this skeleton is made up of calcium carbonate. CaCO3. The skeleton is made up of calcium carbonate. Next one, exact Annelida, the skeleton made up of silicon. The skeleton made up of silicon. Demospongia. So the skeletal system absent. Skeletal system may be absent. Next one, examples of the calcarea. Examples of the calcarea. So the Sycon. So the calcarea example Sycon. Calcarea example Sycon. Exact Annelida example Euplectella. Example Euplectella. Next one, Hyalonema. Second example Hyalonema. One is the Euplectella, another one is the Hyalonema. Third one, Demospongia. Demospongia. So these examples are the Euspongia and Calina. Euspongia and Calina. Euspongia and Calina. So these are the three classes: Calcarea, exact Annelida, and Demospongia. Demospongia. Next one, these animals, the phylum Porifera animals, the scientific names and common names. Scientific name and common name. First of all, Sycon. The scientific name Sycon. This common name is the Skypa. Sycon, common name Skypa. Sycon, common name Skypa. Next one, Euplectella. Another animal, Euplectella. This common name is the Venus flower basket. Euplectella, common name Venus flower basket. Venus flower basket. Next one, Hyalonema. Third one, Hyalonema. So the Hyalonema common name glass rope sponge. Glass rope sponge. Hyalonema common name glass rope sponge. Next one, Spongilla. Fourth one, Spongilla. The Spongilla common name freshwater sponges. Spongilla common name freshwater sponges. Next one, Euspongia. Next one, Euspongia. Euspongia common name bath sponge. Euspongia common name bath sponge. Next one, Calina. Next one, Calina. So Calina common name dead man's fingers. Dead man's fingers. So these are the Calina name, dead man's fingers. So these are the scientific names and common name. So they are the phylum Porifera classification divided into three classes: Calcarea, exact Annelida, and Demospongia. So these are the phylum general characters and phylum classification Porifera.